about to get arrested, dude. I don't even know. I'm about to get thrown in jail, though. That's all I know.
Try that again. A little rehearsal with.
You want to stick with that, or you want to jump to something else?
It's up to you guys, man.
Which is what, memory? What is that one?
That one was Hellmouth.
That was Hellmouth. That was, like it said, the way at the bottom of the list, but it's easy to play. We weren't even going to record that song, but it's so easy to play, we're like, maybe we can pull it off. Why don't we?
Fuck it.
It's good to warm up.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
What do you got for a tempo on that?
Just try that once. Let's just try it once. Yeah, pretty slow. Yeah, I would like.
I'll top it out if you play it.
God shed His grace on me. Almost kind of looks like the facade of the old double World Trade Centers there. WT 07, Building 7.
Building 7?
That makes you open up your eyes again.
This is actually Doug's roadie.
What do you got there? Oh, it's Doug's roadie.
Yeah.
You look like Doug.
It's my twin brother.
So, very nice, very nice.
He's half retarded. So.
I see you got some cables there.
I got my
Who, Doug? Doug or the brother?
both. one whole person.
Just outside is your life. We'll take it out of us.
That's how it all started, man.
He wants to play the every time when he comes over, Dave. He goes right on the kit. He should be a drummer.
Shouldn't he?
No, I mean, he was just taking a risk, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
He'd rather do it out here.
Look, you're banging it so well.
Good at banging.
It's all about that side of me. I see inside of me. Along the ways of the road, leading into natural. Along the ways of the road, lady,
And ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side on my piano.
Hi, this is Jeffrey Ott here. He's the front man for the band SOM. Jeffrey, what's that?
Paul's Butler.
Oh, Paul's Butler. That's right, correctly. Paul's Butler.
This interview's over. This is over.
But
You know who you're talking to.
What's that? I just thought that you were. What is this over here? This
Take
is
one
Oh.
SOM fucking studio to track out live takes. Yeah, whatever you want to call it. Turn that fucking camera off.
The drums sound really big, so and that guy, the engineer, says that it's going to record pretty well. So that's cool. Looking forward to that. Once the headphones are on, I'm curious to see how that splash is going to make its way in.
the game will be on.
Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea what's going to happen. I have no idea. I have no game plan, as usual. That's the way I like it. And we're just going to play.
Very nice.
Oh, we're going to be in an excellent surrounding. No need for.
And where are you? In New York City, correct?
That's correct. New York City.
Yeah. This is the old power station, right?
That's correct.
That's nice.
This is where many albums.
Many of legends have walked.
We are the footprints.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
fatalities?
Yeah. We got another war wound
What we got there? Where are you?
right here.
Oh, would you looky there?
That's
That's Avatar wound?
Avatar. Yeah,
Alright.
I got one before we left the house on the Iomi.
Did you?
Say we got gypped. No.
I watched the video.
Look at that
last
fucking
night.
control room.
Throwing
Look at that
that
control room window.
That control room is gay, dude.
Why?
Yeah,
Just
studio
keep
D.
looking. Just keep walking.
Yeah.
I'm over here, guys.
Oh, that's Dave's part.
Blasphemy is a part of you and me.
Beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful.
What's another hit?
Brigade.
I couldn't even afford one of these things.
What is
I
that?
don't even know my house is
What
worth
is that? No, this is where they put like Led Zeppelin.
Yeah, you know, fucking some fucking. You know, some shit's been going on down there. Yeah. Too fucked up.